guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my keto cheesecakes. Now these cheesecakes are so delicious, you guys, and since the holidays are right around the corner, if you want to stay in ketosis, this is a perfect way to do it. So in this recipe, we're going to have 1 stick of cream cheese. You can have 2 depending on how much batter you're trying to make. Then you'll mix it with the hand mixer. Now if your cream cheese is not softened before you do this, this is a perfect way to get it softened quicker. You just mix that up real quick. Then right after that, you just grab 1 egg, and then I will add a couple of teaspoons or just a splash of vanilla, and then you just hand mix that together. Then I'm going to add some Swerve. This is a really good sugar replacement, you guys, especially when you're on keto and you're baking and you want to have your sweet goodies without actually the sugar in it. And also with the Swerve, I'm going to add this. It's one of my favorite things to add every time I'm baking, you guys. So erythritol is another sweetener you can use that's also keto friendly, you guys. So if you don't have Swerve, you can also use this. I like to use both of them just to give it the actual sweet taste that I am looking for. Now usually after you mix everything, if you want to add another egg and some more cream cheese, this is when you do so. You don't want to add all your eggs together, you just want to do it separate. But for this recipe, I only add 1 egg because I wasn't making a bigger batch. But if you're making a bigger batch, you can add another egg and another stick of cream cheese. This is a batch. As you can see, the texture is like pudding substance, but it's a lot creamy. And it tastes so good, you guys. So I already made some cheesecake like a couple of days before, and I made my own crust, which was like some crushed walnuts and some butter and some Swerve. And with that together, it kind of made like its own fat bomb. So I kept some of them so I could snack on, of course. And I'm using this for my crust. So I'm basically using my fat bomb with some almond flour. So after mixing everything up, I'm basically going to put my crust in these little cupcake liners, and then I'm going to put it in a baking pan, put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Oven on 350, but you want it cooked but not really cooked all the way because you're also going to use that for your batter. So this is basically your crust for your cheesecake. So what I like to do right after is basically to make the surface all flat and even. I like to hit it on my island just a few times and it comes out perfect, you guys. I put the cheesecake cupcakes in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until they light and golden brown like you see here. And oh my god, you guys, they came out so perfect. I literally wish you guys can smell it through the camera. So guys, I made cheesecake the other day, well, a couple of days ago, of course, and I made my own icing. So this icing recipe is very keto friendly and it's very easy. It's nothing but sour cream, cinnamon, and Swerve mixed together nicely, and it tastes really good. So basically I add some more cinnamon on top of the cheesecake just to catch of the icing a little bit more, and it tastes so good, you guys. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of me making some keto cheesecake cupcakes. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all next time.